On today's episode of Alyssa Can Figure Anything Out, I lightened my black hair. So if you guys watched my last video, I talk about how I dyed my hair darker than I wanted. And I lightened it, and I'm just gonna kind of walk you through that today. My hair was darker than I wanted. I originally thought, hey, I'm gonna dye my hair a little darker because my roots were starting to grow in and my roots are pretty light. Then my hair turned out black, so I was like, I need to figure out a way to lighten this. And I figured because I just dyed my hair, I could just shampoo it, it would be fine. No. When your hair is almost black, it's like doesn't budge. So my hair's still dark, it's just not black. And in different lights, it looks even lighter than this right now. Thank you. I can't wait for it to even lighten up more. You ever dye your hair and then realize, oh, my hair looked just fine and I actually love it now? Or before? Huh? Whatever. So I started panicking. I was like, wait. I woke up in the morning, I scared myself, and I was like, this is not, nope. I was not meant for this super, super dark hair. I think this is like the darkest I can go, and I can still rock with it, and I can just be like, yeah, lean with it, rock with it. I still look good, not black and not darker than this, and I will not go darker than this ever again in my whole existence of living. So anyway, so I had to figure out, what am I gonna do? I started Googling how to lighten my hair, all this stuff. People were using like vitamin C tablets, all this stuff, and honestly I was like, I'm a little afraid to lighten it in that way because the before and afters were, it was like black hair to orange hair. I was like, no, that's not what I'm wanting. So I was a little nervous. So a lot of you on Snapchat and Twitter were sending me over so many suggestions. It was like, use clarifying shampoo, use baking soda, lemon juice, peroxide, anti-dandruff shampoo like Head and Shoulders, all of this stuff. And I was feeling a little overwhelmed. I just got in the shower and I tried to really scrub my hair out because I've done that in the past where I had a dye job that I didn't love and I really scrubbed my head and I could get a bunch of color out. Nothing was happening. My hair was just not budging. I tried vinegar because I read online you could use vinegar. That did nothing. My head just smelled bad. And then I tried baking soda with anti-dandruff shampoo. I just ordered some Head and Shoulders in a bowl. I put some shampoo in there. I poured a bunch of baking soda in it. I didn't measure anything. I just eyeballed it until it was like a thick paste. I lathered it all over my hair and I let it sit and nothing happened. I put it under a cap and everything. I waited. Absolutely nothing happened. Nothing budged. And I was like, this is just annoying and my hair feels nasty now. Didn't work. So I was like, all right, I'm a little frustrated, but you know, it's fine. I'll figure it out. So I did that earlier in the day and then I washed it again that night. I tried it one more time and nothing budged. So last night I was Googling forever. I was like, there has to be something else. And then I remembered I had some leftover developer from when I was dyeing my hair the other day. I have a small amount of developer left. What if I use that with the baking soda because I believe that will lift the color. I googled it and it said that it could. I was really nervous. This is why when I was blonde, I never bleached my hair, I never dyed it, I never touched it personally. I think I only ever used like pink shampoo on it over my like white blonde hair because I would have a hint of color and that was it. And it was not dye, it was just like shampoo. It was easy to use, that was it. I didn't have to bleach it, like nothing. I could never do that. I would never trust myself with that. Just as I shouldn't trust myself with this, but okay, long story short. So anyway, so I was like, all right, I kind of made a paste of it this morning. I literally did this morning, like 9 a.m. So in like a plastic bowl, I poured in the leftover developer and I just kept pouring baking soda into it until it turned again into like a thick paste. And at first I did like a little test strand. I just did like the end of a piece of hair. I let it sit for a while. I even put the blow dryer on it to try to like activate it. And I didn't really feel like anything was working, and so I rinsed it out and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna do it all over my whole head and I'm just gonna go for it because my hair is driving me crazy. So that's exactly what I did. This morning, I went into the bathroom and I put it on my hair as if I was dyeing my hair. I did it in layers. I just did it in layers. I took the brush, I did it on my roots, and then I pulled it down the rest of my hair. And I did that all over my head and I put it up into a cap, and it was probably in a cap for about 30 minutes. By the way, disclaimer, I'm not telling anyone to do this. I'm not saying you should do this to your hair. I really strongly suggest you just see a professional and don't do your hair yourself, truly. That's the lesson I learned this week, even though I already knew it. I thought I was a hairstylist. I am not. No, not doing that again. Anyway, so I did that and then I actually took the hair dryer and I was like blow drying around, not for long, because I didn't know how I was going to react. I didn't know how my hair was going to turn out. I didn't want it to be splotchy. I didn't want, you know, I just wanted to get some freaking hair dye out of my hair. I got in the shower and I rinsed it, and all of a sudden I just saw like brown come out, and I was like, oh, I answered my own prayer. So that's what I did. I used baking soda and developer. Again, use at your own risk. I am not telling you to use it. If you use it and you don't like it, that's not my fault, that's your fault. I did not tell you to do it. I'm literally nope. No. And I lightened my hair up. It's still obviously dark, duh, because I didn't leave it on for super long, and I'm out of developer, and so this is what it is now. I actually really like this color. I do want this to fade more, and I am excited for it to fade more, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm gonna rock with this for now. It's still cute. I can handle this. It'll be fine. That's how I ruined my hair and saved it within 3 days. So, moral of the story is, don't dye your own hair, don't cut your own hair, go to a professional. I shouldn't even have to say this because it's common sense, but I did it and I messed up, and so I'm telling you, I'm warning you. You guys come to me for hair tutorials. I'm not a professional. This is just what happened to me. Learn from me. Do as I say, not as I do. Yada, 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 boom. I have never spent so much time on my own hair. Wow, my hair looks thick and luscious right now. Okay, hello. I will tell you though, my hair feels nasty. It feels so dry at the ends. Although my hair looks like full and like va-va-voom, hello. The ends of my hair are seriously, like, that is just so sad. But yeah, there you go. That was my hair story. I really, truly hope you enjoyed my pain and my pleasure. That's something though, I will say, although I may be impulsive sometimes, whatever happens in my life, I always turn it around, make things happen, and get stuff done. Always. I'm just like a genie in a bottle for myself that way, you know what I mean? So I fixed it. I'm happy with it now. I'm gonna put a little extra tanner on, get a little tan going to, you know, not have this be so harsh, and we'll go from there. It'll be fine. But I actually really do like it now. So yes, there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be back to new videos next week. Let me know what you would like to see besides the regular stuff I've done. I need to talk about that in a different video. I'm feeling kind of in a weird, I don't know what I want to do with my channel spot. I felt like that for months. I think you guys can tell. But yeah, that's where I'm at. That's what happened. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So yes, I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah! Bye guys. See how much lighter it looks? Like, this is on my phone compared to, see, it looks so dark. That looks way dark, and then it looks so much lighter right here. What's the truth?